Yo, what is up, memers? Alright, so what's up, creamy boys? So we're gonna be making some
Macaroni and cheese.
So what you're gonna want to do, this is gonna be the fastest timed how-to video of all time. So you're gonna want to get that thing. You're gonna want to turn on your sink to prepare for that. You're gonna want to get this thing, put that underneath there, and now we wait. Come on. Come on, I'm hungry. Alright, so we got that. Now we gotta put that on there. Turn this up to, depending on how thick the bottom of your pot is, you're gonna wanna put it on at least a medium. Put that on there so that it cooks faster, and now we gotta wait. Alright, now that your water's boiling, you're gonna wanna take out this big boy right here with one hand somehow. Just do that. There you go. Come on. Hold on. Alright, now we wait. You gotta put that in there. And now you're gonna want to get this and stir that so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the thing. And now you gotta wait again. And that looks pretty good. So let's turn off the burner and dump the big boy into this thing. Put that in there. Oh, fuck. Now that you cut this feller thing right here, whatever it's called, cheesy pack thing, you're just gonna, okay, hold on a minute. You're just gonna want to dump that in there. So now that you got all that cheese in there, you're gonna want to stir it up with two hands because you're holding the camera in the other one.
Hey guys, your mac and cheese here somewhere. So, here, listen to that.
Alright, so now that you got that out of the way, what you're gonna want to do is just stir it a little bit more until it looks nice and cheesy. Looks like yellow. And there you go. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and like the video. And like the video if you haven't already liked the video. And hell yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.